Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to restore a deleted pin board. If you're having trouble with restoring your deleted pin board, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start. First of all, go to Pinterest and then head on to your profile. After that, go to boards and then scroll a bit down. Then you'll see the option of recently deleted. Then click on restore. Then click on the board you want to restore and then the restore button will turn red and then click on the button of restore. And that's it. This is how you can restore your deleted pin board in Pinterest. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.